video. We're going to do a weekend forecast today. Going to have a detailed look at weather for the next 7 days across the British Isles. Got some quite interesting weather coming up. It's going to be a little bit cooler than we've been used to, I think, at the start of the week. Then it's going to get settled down, get a little bit warmer through the middle of the week. But it could start to turn very unsettled, I think, as we get towards the end of the week and next weekend. So I'll have a look at all the detail in a moment. Before I get on with the video, just want to talk about the advertising. There's green keyword ads on all my pages at GazWebBits.com. If you roll your cursor over the green keywords, they'll display ads. But if you click through the word, you go to the advertised website, be supporting GazWebBits.com by doing that. Also going to say where the charts are coming from. We've got a historic chart we're going to look at in a moment. Just start off the video from westcentral.de. I'll save that chart, so I've got it on my computer. But the rest of the charts we're going to have to get from the weatheroutlook.com today, because West Central is down this morning, so I can't use the West Central chart. But the charts from the Weather Outlook are very similar to the West Central charts anyway, so I don't think you'll notice too much of a difference. So let's just start with 10 years ago today, the 10th of August 2003. Really was an exceptionally hot day. This was the chart for the 10th of August 2003. The heat wave of the summer of 2003 was really peaking today. We had temperatures widely up to 35, 36, 37 degrees. Some places in the south got up to 38 degrees, 38.5 I think was the actual record at Faversham. That's 101 Fahrenheit. It was a really, really exceptionally hot day. We haven't bettered that temperature since in the British Isles. It may be a long time actually before we do. So anyway, just thought you'd enjoy having a quick recap on that. If you want to see about the summer of 2003, I just did a video for the summer of 2003 recently, a historic video. So just quickly about a bit of a plug. Go to the historic page. You can find that on the menu at the top of this page. Click on historic weather. You'll go through to the historic weather page. You'll be able to see the link there for this page that's got the video for the summer of 2003 on it. And enjoy that video if that's what you want to do. So getting on with the weekend forecast. Well, it's very different to 10 years ago today. It's a rather cloudy actually for the 10th of August 2013, and we've got showers up in the north. So here's the radar picture from the weatheroutlook.com, showing that we have got those showers up in the north. They're mainly light showers, there aren't really that many heavy showers mixed in. Yeah, occasional heavy shower over high ground, but really they're just light showers, and they're really from the North Midlands northwards. So that's going to be how we keep the weather going, I think, actually, through the course of today. So this is today's synoptic pressure chart from the GFS model. As I say, this is coming from the website, theweatheroutlook.com, and this is the situation. We've got high pressure down to the southwest, got low pressure up to the northwest. It's the same sort of setup that we've had all August, and we'd like to keep this sort of setup going through the coming week, but as I say, at the end of the week it will get more unsettled. So for the rest of today, we're going to keep rather a lot of cloud across many parts of the country. It'll be mainly dry for much of England and Wales. Odd shower can't be ruled out, but mainly dry for England and Wales. But from the North Midlands northwards into Northern England, Northern Ireland and Scotland, there will be showers around, and one or two of those showers could be heavy, but mainly I think they will be quite light showers. Temperatures today, well, we've got rather a lot of clouds, so the temperatures will be disappointing, maybe getting up to maximum of around 22 or 23 in the best of sunshine in the south, and 73, but I think generally we're around, and in certain circumstances in the north, a little bit below average. Overnight, many of the showers will die away, but we'll keep a lot of cloud across many parts of the country. No problems with temperatures tonight, minimums of around 8 to 14 degrees. As we move through into Sunday, we've got this area of low pressure up to the north of Scotland, and winds are beginning to back round in towards the northwest here. So if anything can start turning cooler up in the north, start to bring a cooler push of air through across Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England. Still the risk of some showers, and maybe a greater risk of a shower turning up further south as well. But I think for the far south and southeast, we may actually get better sunshine on Sunday, and it will be a little bit warmer in the far south and southeast, with temperatures there possibly 24 degrees, 75 Fahrenheit, but further north from the Midlands northwards, I think the temperatures will be sliding away actually through the course of the day as those winds turn northwest. Again, many of the showers will be up in the northwest on Sunday. Moving through into Monday, this is the chart for Monday, and we find that low pressure moving off into Scandinavia. The high pressure is in the Atlantic, bringing down this very cool northerly wind. So I think it is going to be a cooler day on Monday for all of us. Temperatures in the south barely getting up to around 20 or 21. That's just 70 Fahrenheit. In the north, we're just into the mid-teens, really, for Scotland, Northern Ireland, and Northern England. There'll be more in way of showers as well. We've got a bit of a trough here coming through. So I think Scotland and Northern England in particular, at risk of heavy showers on Monday, the risk of hail and thunder mixed in, and those heavy showers could come down the eastern side through the course of the day, but best of the driest and brightest weather will be for Wales, Ireland and South West England. I believe in here a shower can't be ruled out. As I say, a cooler day with that north to northwesterly wind on Monday. Moving through into Tuesday, and the high pressure is trying to ridge in off the Atlantic, so I think probably fewer showers on Tuesday, but there could still be some in the north and the northeast in particular. But for England, Wales and Ireland, I think a lot of dry weather actually on Tuesday. Temperatures, well, it will be quite cold to start off with. You'll certainly feel a bit of a chill in the air on Tuesday morning and again on Tuesday evening. But for Tuesday itself, probably seeing the temperatures up to around 21, 22 degrees, something like that. Certainly no better than average. As we move through into Wednesday, we're going to find the high pressure beginning to decline down to the south and low pressure starting to come back into the north already. So I think we'll start to bring cloud and rain into Scotland and Northern Ireland through the course of Wednesday. But for England and Wales, mainly dry and fine with good sunny spells. After a cold start, the temperatures will get quite warm in the south on Wednesday afternoon, up to around 23 or 24 degrees into the mid-20s Celsius. That is into the mid-70s Fahrenheit. Now on Thursday, on the face of it, this is a settled chart, but we're bringing a trough through here across the country on Thursday. So I think it will be an unsettled day or a more unsettled day for Thursday, with showers push across the country, possibly longer spells of rain for the north, but even further south I think we will have some showers on Thursday. Temperatures, well, we're around 24, 25 degrees perhaps in the south, so quite warm, but it will be turning cooler and fresher again from the north. As we move through into Friday, we end the working week with a westerly flow across the country. Low pressure is developing out in the Atlantic. That'll be with us for the weekend. But Friday, probably not too bad a day. Actually, we'll clear that trough through overnight, Thursday into Friday. For Friday itself, probably a lot of dry weather with reasonable sunny spells. A very brief transient ridge is coming through there, I think, on Friday, so it could be quite a nice day. Temperature's a little bit cooler, probably just 22 or 23 degrees, but that's not too bad for the time of the year, and it'll be quite a nice day. But then as we go into next weekend, it all goes downhill with this area of low pressure moving in off the Atlantic, bringing quite a bit of rain potentially, particularly to the north and the northwest, and much cooler temperatures everywhere. And I should just say that the other models, the ECMWF and the GM, the Canadian model, are both predicting a very unsettled spell next weekend and going into the following week. If you want to see more about that, go to my Flash blog page where I've done a blog about it this morning. It could turn really quite unsettled and cool as we go through next weekend and into what will be the third week, of course, of August. By having excuse me, have a look at the charts from the weather outlook. Well, this is a chart for daylight cloud across the country, showers mainly in the north, showers in the north and the northeast on Sunday, mainly dry in the south, and it could be quite warm in the far south, southeast, but otherwise it's turning cooler with the northwesterly wind picking up. For Monday, the showers are in the north and northeast. They could be heavy and thundery for Scotland and northeast England in particular. Driest, brightest weather down to the south and the southwest, and temperatures will be much cooler for all of us with that chilly north to northwesterly wind. Mainly dry for Tuesday, although there could still be showers left in the north and the east. For Wednesday, mainly dry again, but I think we'll start to see cloud and rain coming back into the northwest later. A more unsettled day for all of us on Thursday, with showers in the south and longer spells of rain in the north. And then finally, as we get through to Friday, we end the week probably on not too bad a note, with a very brief transient ridge of high pressure for Friday. But more rain coming into Ireland and Scotland later on will probably herald a very unsettled spell next weekend, and as I say, going out into the third week of August. So in summary, well, we're going to have a three-way split this week. We're going to start off the week on with showers in the north. It will be turning cooler as well through the first part of the week. Then midweek, we'll have fine and settled weather, and temperatures pick up a bit. At the end of the week, it's going to turn more unsettled again and cooler. Temperatures not too bad really, especially in the south, where they could be a little bit above average midweek, but otherwise near normal to below average here in the north. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.